The effects of the pay rise awarded to tea farmers by the courts has begun to show its undesired fruit for the companies, which leave them in a tough position to possibly laying off workers but having to keep profitable operations going. Williamson's Tea and one of its farms, that's Kapchoro Tea, have notified their shareholders that in less notices the main attribution to the expected drop in earnings in what they have termed as an aggressive and rising labor cost. The notices read that with high employee numbers, the anticipated wages and other benefits dating back to 2014 require huge financial positions. The board says that it's working on cost cutting wherever possible, both for its staff. Now, the other attribution to the expected decline is a profit in the unpredictable weather patterns that were witnessed in the course of the year.